Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to talk about something that can seriously improve your trading game, and that is the top trend indicator to avoid ranging markets. All right. It's all about mastering the trend levels indicator. Okay, so we're just going to be discussing the trend levels indicator in this video. So you just have to master this indicator and learn how to avoid those frustrating sideways markets that leave you guessing. So if you're tired of getting caught in choppy price action and are ready to take your trading to the next level, this video is for you. First off, let us start with what the trend levels indicator actually is. Now, as you can see, this tool helps you easily identify when a market is trending versus when it is ranging. This is a trending market, right? It's quite obvious. This is a trending market, right? And then this is a ranging market. Can you see? Can you see the appearance of, brief lines, green, purple, green, purple, green, purple? This is a ranging market, right? Compared to a trending market, this is a sell trend, because you can see that if you hover your mouse over it, you're going to see that all the candles are in purple, right? Signaling that there's a sell trend, okay? And then in addition to that, you see that the price is just bouncing off the purple line while the green line remained horizontally fixed. Then in a buy trend, you're going to notice that all the lines, all the candles are going to be in green, right? The buy candles. And then the price will be bouncing off, the green lines while the horizontal line, while the purple line remains horizontally fixed. So this indicator basically helps you clearly identify a trending market and a ranging market. Okay, a trending market is one where prices are constantly moving in one direction. When price is consistently moving in one direction, that is a trending market. All right. While a ranging market is when prices are stuck between two levels, not really going anywhere, like what we can see happening around here. So the trend levels indicator picks up on these trends and helps you avoid entering trades when the market is not showing clear direction. Now, as traders, we all know that ranging markets can be a real pain. So it's hard to make consistent profits when prices are moving sideways. But with the trend levels indicator, you can pinpoint when the market is in a trend and when it is not. So this is a game changer because it helps you focus your trading efforts on the best opportunities. So how does the trend levels indicator actually work? It is designed to identify key trend levels in the market. These levels give us a clear picture of where the market is likely to move next. So when the market is trending, the indicator will show strong directional signals, indicating that prices are likely to continue in that direction. Okay? On the flip side, when the market is ranging, the indicator will help you spot that too. So you don't waste time or risk your capital in a market that is not moving in a clear direction. So it's all about using this tool to identify the best market conditions for your trades. Now, there's a little more to it than just that. The indicator also helps you spot trend reversals. So if the market starts to lose momentum, yeah, you can see, for example, here we had a sell trend, right? We had a sell trend around here. And then you can see that at some point, there was a very brief consolidation where the market started to lose momentum. And then you will notice that suddenly the trend changed. So from the consistent purple candles, you can see that the trend changed and we started having consistent green candles. Although you can see that the color was changing gradually. Can you see that this midpoint was kind of a combination of purple and green? It was kind of a mix before it changed purely to green. So the indicator highlights when a trend is changing with the aid of these colorings, because irrespective of pullbacks, so long as the trend is bearish, you will notice that the candles will stay in purple. Irrespective of pullback, so long as the trend is bullish, you will notice that the candles will stay in green. All right. So whenever the color starts changing, it shows that a trend reversal is imminent. Okay. So this means that you can exit a trade before the market moves against you, keeping you ahead of the curve. Now, why is it so important to avoid ranging markets? Well, in a ranging market, price doesn't make any clear move in one direction. It's bouncing between support and resistance levels, and it can be very unpredictable. For most traders, it is hard to make profits in these conditions because the market is too erratic. But when you use the trend levels indicator, you can tell when the market is likely to continue trending and when it is time to stay out. So this means you can focus your attention on more profitable trending markets where you have a clearer edge. So how can you start using this indicator to your advantage? The first step is to get familiar with the signals that it gives. Look for clear directional trends, all right, and avoid entering trades when the market is stuck in a range. The indicator will show you levels of support and resistance that can guide your trades, and it will also let you know when momentum is shifting so you can react accordingly. Remember to pay attention to the colorings of the candles when you hover your mouse over the indicator line. So pay attention to the colorings of the candles, and then you pay attention, of course, to the lines as well. That is, that are the boundaries of the candlesticks, right? Pay attention to the lines, pay attention to the coloring of the candles and all of that, and also pay attention to price action. Okay, it is a good idea to combine the trend levels indicator with other technical analysis tools like moving averages or RSI to confirm the signals you are getting. By doing this, you are stacking the odds in your favor and ensuring that you're making trades with the best potential for success. To wrap things up, the trend levels indicator is a powerful tool that can help you avoid those annoying ranging markets and focus on trading trends that offer more reliable opportunities. If you are ready to take control of your trading and stop wasting time in sideways markets, this is the tool you need to check out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update from our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more tips to level up your trading.